Hey there. So you've encountered a problem while writing test cases for an organization that uses Google for authentication. The issue arises when trying to automate Google authentication with Playwright, right? It seems like you're facing a challenge in building a test that runs on a browser where the user has already authenticated. The browser tab gets reloaded before the actual test runs, causing your test case to fail. Frustrating, isn't it? But worry not, there's a solution to this dilemma. To tackle this problem, you can open a browser that already has a profile loaded, eliminating the need for authentication. Imagine opening a website in your own browser where you're already logged in. This scenario can be replicated by launching a browser with a specific profile. Connecting over CDP with Playwright.chromium can help achieve this. Simply use the code snippet browser equals playwright.chromium.connect_over_CDP HTTP localhost 9222. This approach ensures that the browser maintains the session without requiring reauthentication. Building upon the previous step, before executing the code snippet mentioned earlier, you'll need to launch the browser with a remote debugging port. This can be done by running c/program files Google application chrome.exe remote debugging port equals 92222. By setting up the browser in this manner, you ensure that the profile is loaded and the authentication process is circumvented. This seamless flow allows you to run your test cases without any interruptions or reloaded tabs. In summary, by following the steps outlined above, you can overcome the challenge of dealing with reauthentication issues while running test cases in Playwright. Leveraging a preloaded browser profile and connecting over CDP paves the way for smooth test executions. So give this approach a try and streamline your testing process. And remember, when in doubt, just connect over CDP. Alright, happy testing, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your testing escapades. Who knows, maybe your bugs will run away when they see you coming.